repeat after me. I state your name. A participant of the All-Spark Sports Fest. Do hereby solemnly swear and agree to abide, adhere and uphold all conditions, agreements, rules, regulation and provisions which has been set forth by the organizer of this sports fest. As a competitor of this game, I hereby swear and agree to play the game in the highest form and standards of discipline and sportsmanship. No matter if I win or lose, what counts most is how I conduct myself and play my game. In the spirit of belongingness, peace and community enjoyment with my competitors. I now therefore declare to preserve the tenet and protect our true sportsman in thought, in word and in deed, so help me God.